Yeah. Very good morning, dear students. Today we can do the Latin square design on Anova. Example 1. The LSD experiment were conducted on the plot of sugarcane. The design and yield per acre given in the following table. Analyze the data and interpret the result. Look here, A, B, C, and their results are 20, 15, 25. And B, C, A, and their results are 18, 20, 15. And C, A, B, and their results are 16, 25, 30. Okay, we have to form the table for this. Look here, we have to form the table for this. From the data, if you observe the data contains the big numbers. Therefore, we can use the coding method to do this problem. That coding can be done by subtracting S plus L, smallest number plus largest number divided by 2. The smallest result observation is 15 and largest observation is 25 divided by 2. It is 18.5. This is nearly equal to 20. You can take a round figure so that calculation becomes easy. You can subtract 20 from each observation and you are getting this table. Look here, 20 minus 20, 18 minus 20. Like this, you are getting all the readings here, observations. Okay, and now next column is the TI and next is TI square. The square of TI is TI square and XI square, summation of XI square. Look here, this square. Now we can do, look here, we can suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 1 square plus 2 square plus third reading square is summation of XI square it is. Okay, and similarly here also, look here. Here PI is summation of this column 0. Look here, A plus B plus C is a PI. Now PI square, this PI square is PI square. Okay, now you can do, look here, 0 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. And 0 square minus plus minus 2 square plus minus 4 square, this is 20. Now, similarly, for the second B row minus 5 plus 0 plus 5, 0. 0 square is 0. Now, minus 5 square plus 0 square plus 5 square. This is a 50. And now, similarly, the 5 minus 5 plus 0, it is 0. And 0 square is 0. And 5 square plus minus 5 square plus 0 square is a 50. Okay. Now, you can add here, this is, add all these things here. You can get here, we can write the result. We can write the result. Okay, my dear students, look here. Minus 6 plus 0 plus 0. This is minus 6. This is a T. Means this is the sum of total of all these observations. And next, you can add summation of XI square, 20 plus 50 plus 50. It is 120. Okay, you complete this column. And suppose in some problems, I have added orally and written here. If these numbers are somewhat 10, 15, 20 or minus 3, minus 6, like that they come and more numbers are there. Orally you can't add. You can use you can press the mode calculator you can use for getting these results. How calculator? I am going to tell you. The press the mode button, third button. Look here. Here 2 columns you are available there in the statistics. You press the second button, number 2 button. Then X and Y columns opened there. In X column, you enter all the values of A. In Y column, enter all the values of B. And AC button, again shift button, 1 button, third button. Third button, if you press it, you can get sum of x sum of x square easily you can get, you can write here. And suppose only one column remains, the one row remains last. And for that purpose, again, the mode button and third button, and only one column you want, you can press the one button and X column opened there. In a X column, you can enter the values of C, 5, -5, and 0. And AC button and shift button, again one button and third button. You can get the summation of X and summation of X square values you can write. And similarly for the PI, also same. The mode button and third button, and look here, two columns are here. Means second button you can press X and Y column opened there. In X column, you enter these values. And Y column, second column values you enter. AC button, again shift button, one button, third button. And summation of X you can get. You can write summation of X. This is summation of Y. And similarly, only one column left out. The same mode button and third button and only one button, only one column there. And in X column, you can enter this -4, 5, and 0, AC button and shift button, one button, third button. You can get summation of X values. Like this, you can reduce the calculation time in examination hall. Okay. Now, here at the bottom, look here, N. N means you can count here. Look here. See, 1, 2, 3. 3, the columns are there. And rows count 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Total 9 observations are there. These are total 9 observations. And are equal to rows. Look here. First row, second row, third row. And are equal to 3 rows. And similarly, columns, first column, second column, third column. And C equal to 3 columns. And treatments, look here, A, B, C. How many variables are there? 3. So that treatments are 3. You can write there. And next, look here, hypothesis, you have to write. Hypothesis means two hypotheses. The null hypothesis H0 equal to mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. Because of how high, only 3 treatments are there, 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Therefore, M1 equal to M2 equal to M3. Suppose 4 are there, means M1 equal to M2 equal to M3 equal to M4, you write. And now, alternate hypothesis, opposite of this. Mu1 equal to mu2, not equal to mu2. And mu2 equal to mu3, here mu2 is not equal to mu3. And at least one, what is meaning of this? All 3 may not be unequal. At least one is unequal. This result holds good. And this, the hypothesis, the alternate hypothesis and null hypothesis, common for both rows, columns, and treatments. Okay. Actually, you have to define these things separately for rows, separately for columns, separately for treatments. But no necessary, it is all duplication. Therefore, you can write only once. You can write here for rows, columns, and treatments. The hypothesis holds. And next calculation, CF, T square upon N. Now, the T square, you can get the T value. Look here, -6. T is -6. -6 square divided by N equal to 9. -6 square divided by 9. Then you can calculate this 4. This is a correction factor and very important result. For this, marks will be there. You can mark it, box it. And TSS, summation of xi square minus CF. CF is 4. Look here, 4. And this summation of xi square from table you can get. Look here, summation of xi square 120. And right here, 120. 120 minus 4, 116 is the TSS. And box it, very important result. Next, SSR equal to sum of Ti square upon Ni minus CF. CF is -4. And this Ti square upon Ni, you can get it from the table. Look here. Ti square. 36 divided by 1, 2, 3 values. 36 divided by 3 plus 0 upon 3 and plus 0 upon 3. You can calculate it here. Look here. 36 upon 3 plus 0 upon 3, and this is 12 you are getting. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 is SSR. You can box it. Very important result. and SSC, summation of Pi square upon Ni minus a CF. CF is already we have calculated minus 4. And this you can get it from the table. Look here. Pi square, 0 divided by 3 values. A, B, C. Look here. 0 upon 3 plus 49 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. And you can make a calculation here. Look here. 0 upon 3, 0 upon 3, 49 upon 3, 1 upon 3. This is after calculation, you are getting 13. Is SSC. Now, next, look here. You have to calculate SST, one more quantity, SST, sum of square or treatments by rearranging the table. Look here, rearranging the table. All the A values you collect. Look here, all the A values you collect from the table. Look here, A values, 0, minus 5, plus 5. Collect, you write here. Look here, 0, minus 5, plus 5. And similarly, B values from the table. Look here, B, minus 5, minus 2, 0. Minus 5, minus 2, 0. You write here. Minus 5, minus 2, 0. Minus 5, minus 2, 0. And similarly, you collect these values, 5, 0, minus 4. And again, Qi means sum of them. 0, minus 5, plus 5, 0. And 0 square is 0. And similarly, minus 5, minus 2, plus 0, minus 7. Minus 7 square is 49. And next, 5 plus 0, minus 4. 1. 1 square is 1. Suppose this is also, the more numbers are there. I told you in earlier case, you know, you can use the calculator for getting this Qi and Qi square. Okay. And press the mode button and second button, and you can get A, B rows. You can enter the A values in X column and B values in Y column and calculate. Okay. Similarly, you can use the same for one row. Then summation of, look here, SST equal to summation of Qi square upon Ni minus CF. CF is here. Look here, Qi square. Look here, 0 upon 1, 2, 3 values. 0 upon 3 plus 49 upon 3 values and 1 upon 3 values. You can calculate and you can get the answer 13. This is SST. And look here, SSE equal to TSS minus SSR minus SSC minus SST. Now, all your TSS is already known. You calculated SSR, you have calculated, SSC you calculated, SST, here only it is. And enter there, you can get 82. SSE, very important result, you can write it there. Okay, now, next, very important, it is Anova table. Anova table. The examiner gives the marks for this only. See the table, here are the marks. Look here, Anova table, variations, degrees of freedom, SS, MSS, and F column. And rows, columns. Okay, my dear students, this Anova table is very important. Okay, now look here. I told you DF, variations DF, SS, MSS, and F. Now, the rows, look here, and degrees of freedom is R minus 1. Okay, R minus 1 means R minus 1 means the 3 minus 1, 2. And SSR you can enter. SSR, you know this SSR degrees of SSR is already known, 8. MSS, SSR upon R minus 1. Look here, SSR upon R minus 1. R minus 1 is 2. Then 8 upon 2. This is 4. Okay. Now, next, look here. The columns. For the columns, the degrees of freedom, C minus 1. 3 columns, 3 minus 1, 2. And SSC already we have calculated 13. And MS is SSC divided by C minus 1. Look here, 13 upon 2. This is 6.5 is coming. I rounded it, complete figure I have completed 8. Rounded to the 7. You write 7. And similarly, SST is 13 and T minus 1. 3 treatments are there, 3 minus 1, 2. And 13 upon 2. And this is 6.5 rounded to the next number digit 7. Then similarly, 82 minus this is MSE equal to SSE divided by see degrees of freedom. Look here, T minus 1, T minus 2. This is a 2. Then 82 upon 2, this is 41. Then next, look here, N minus 1. Total readings are 9, 9 minus 1, 8. TSS already we have calculated 116. Look here, FR equal to MSE divided by MSR. In most of the problems, MSR divided by MSE will be. And here, MSE means MSE is a greater than MSR, MSE, MSD. And therefore, you take this in the numerator. Always, this F ratio should be more than 1. See that, it should be more than 1. It should not be less than 1. Therefore, MSE, this 41 upon 4, 10.25. Then 41 upon 7, and this is the 5.86. And similar 41 upon 7, 5.86. You calculate. Look here, FT at 0.05 with degrees of freedom mu1 equal to, look here, this degrees of freedom 2. The T minus 1, T minus 2. Error degrees of freedom. And because we have taken it in the numerator, and denominator we have taken MSE, MSR, MSC, and you take it here. Then this is 2. It is 19. This 19 is coming from the table. Okay. Next is simply write your decision. FR we are getting 10.25. This is smaller than 19. A table value is 19. Then H0 is accepted for rows. And similarly, FC is 5.86 we are getting. This is again smaller than 19. Then H0 is accepted for the columns. And FT 5.86. It is also smaller than 19. Then H0 is accepted for the treatments. Okay, write the answer like this. Wish you good luck. Have a nice time. Good day, my dear students.